How to avoid laziness while study. Hey everyone, welcome to Priyacore. Today, we're tackling a universal struggle, laziness. Especially as a teenager, it can be tough to stay motivated to study. But don't worry, I've got some tips to help you beat the lazy blues and achieve your academic goals. But first we need to understand what actually laziness. Before we can overcome laziness, it's important to understand why we feel it. Here are some common causes. Lack of motivation. When we don't feel connected to what we're studying or don't see the point, it's easy to lose motivation. Procrastination. We often put off tasks that we don't enjoy or find challenging. Distractions. In today's digital age, there are so many distractions that can easily pull us away from studying. Feeling overwhelmed. When we have a lot of work to do, it can feel overwhelming and make us feel like giving up. Now that we understand why we feel lazy, let's talk about some tips for overcoming it. Tip 1. Create a conducive study environment. Find your ideal spot. Is it your desk, the library, or a quiet corner of your room? Choose a place where you can focus without distractions. Declutter your space. A clean and organized environment can boost your productivity. Get comfortable. Make sure you have a comfortable chair and good lighting. Also avoid tight clothes. Opt for comfy t-shirt, PJ, night suits, etc. Tip 2. Break down your goals. Small steps. Instead of feeling overwhelmed by a big assignment, break it down into smaller, manageable tasks. Once you understand the task, divide it into smaller, manageable parts. Each part should be a self-contained unit that contributes to the overall goal. Sequence the tasks. After breaking down the task, determine how these smaller tasks should be completed. Reward yourself. Celebrate your progress with small rewards to stay motivated. This could be anything from eating your favorite snack to watching a TV show. Tip 3. Use the pomodoro technique. Time management. Work in focused 25-minute intervals, followed by a short break. This technique can help you stay focused and avoid burnout. Tip 4. Find a study buddy. Accountability. Studying with a friend can keep you accountable and motivated. Discuss ideas. You can bounce ideas off each other and learn from each other's perspectives. If you don't have those kind for friends who can motivate you, then join Study With Me session on YouTube. Watching someone study hard can motivate you to study too. Sense of community. You can feel a sense of togetherness with the creator and other viewers. Inspiration. You can learn from the creator's routines and organization strategies. Avoid distractions. You can focus better and avoid distractions. Share tips. In live streams, viewers and creators can share study tips and words of encouragement. Tip 5. Take care of yourself. Sleep. Ensure you're getting enough sleep to function at your best. Eat well. Fuel your body with healthy food to stay energized. Exercise. Regular physical activity can improve your mood and focus. Exercise triggers the release of hormones that can improve mood, reduce stress, and sharpen thinking, which can all contribute to better learning. Some minor extra tips which leave big results. Believe in yourself. It's important to believe in yourself and your ability to succeed. Find a study method that works for you. Some people prefer to study in a quiet environment, while others prefer to study with background noise. Experiment with different methods to find what works best for you. Eliminate distractions. Turn off your phone, close unnecessary tabs on your computer, and let your family know you're studying. Take breaks. Don't try to study for hours on end without taking breaks. Get up and move around every 20 to 30 minutes. Use a planner. A planner can help you stay organized and keep track of your assignments and deadlines. Laziness is a normal part of life, but it doesn't have to control you. By following these tips, you can overcome laziness and achieve your academic goals. Remember, it's important to be patient with yourself and not give up. With hard work and dedication, you can succeed.